Hello, crypto world. It's Fed Wednesday and Chairman Powell's press conference at 2:30, and the fact the Fed cut, as expected, 0.25% affected all markets. There was volatility. The S&P dropped down significantly, then it rallied up to basically unchanged, down a little bit. The same is true with the NASDAQ. Now, as I'm making this, the dollar is up, but I want to show you the action after the Fed cut 0.25%, and then when Powell started talking. The dollar, which was at an all-time low, went all the way down here as the cut happened, and then inched up, and as Powell spoke, it went higher. Now when we go to interest rates, they closed up a little bit, not a great deal, but the 10-year traded below 4% after the cut, and then during Powell's press conference, it rallied back up. Still, it's not up significantly, but it was below 4%. And in crypto, we had volatility also, but not the remarkable volatility that crypto is known for. It traded as high as 117,000 and as low as 114,900. But basically, crypto ended up, I'm describing this as unchanged. The Fed did what was expected, and Powell's speech was tempered, if you will. He still was concerned about inflation, but he had more concern about the job market, and it appears that they're, according to the futures market, still pricing in 3 cuts this year. It's kind of ironic to say this. Despite the volatility, the net result of the Fed policy was things are still basically the same as people expected. Was no dramatic news, in my opinion, and in the market's opinion. They were volatile, but at the end of the day, versus where they were yesterday, it's not a radical change.